Have you ever been on a call, finally got through to someone to get transferred and then have to re-explain all the context over again? We both know that's annoying. And on top of that, the research is actually backing this up. 72% of customers want you to already know who they are and what they need when transferred. On top of that, 86% of customers are already willing to pay more for a better customer experience. And just in the US alone, businesses are losing $1.6 trillion a year because of bad customer experiences. So what felt like a nice to have almost feels mandatory in this day and age. Let's say you run a solar company, or maybe you're in financial consulting, maybe you're in accounting, and you already got a voice AI agent that's picking up all your calls and qualifying them. But now you need them to be able to route them to maybe your customer service team, or maybe you need to route the hottest leads to your best closers. Using Retell's Warm 2.0 feature, I'm going to show you how you can transfer that context to your rep seamlessly using their whisper message function. On top of that, you'll be able to set hold music. And the best thing is we're going to keep it clean and very straightforward with this new method. So once we're within our Retell dashboard and we've loaded up our agent that we want to add in this function to, we want to essentially go up here where we'll click functions and we'll get the drop down. We'll press add and then down here to call transfer. And within here, we can give it a name. We can give a description to the tool and we can create a static number to then transfer it to. So we're going to add our number in here. And then now we want to go down and we've got the options between a cold transfer and a warm transfer. We want to click warm transfer. And here we can set our hold music. Let's go with some relaxing sounds. We've got a human detection timer. When enabled, the AI will only brief if a real human is detected. So it's not going to bother trying to transfer if it detects a voicemail or anything like that. So now we've got our detection window and we can set this anywhere along here, but the 30 seconds sounds nice. And now here we've got the whisper message. Now this is the magic of where we can add our context. So if we just select that, we can come down here. We can say, be concise, say name is calling for a reason, putting you through now. And this is actually what will be said to our human agent. So once they answer and they say, yep, how's it going? Our agent's going to say, look, Alex is calling because he's very interested in our solar battery system, putting you through right now. And it's just going to transfer that, given the initial context so you know what's up. And you can get this to say whatever you needed to say along the way. And while it's waiting, our client will be listening to some sweet, relaxing sounds, which we'll demo soon. So we can come down here and we can get into the custom SIP headers. So some of you may not be using the custom SIP headers, and what it essentially stands for is a session initiation protocol. It's the tech that powers most of business phone systems. So whether you're using like Twilio directly or you've got something like Asterisk or Ring Central, basically if you're transferring calls in a professional environment, the SIP is how the calls will move from essentially one system to another. And in here, for instance, you can use it to flag a VIP caller. Maybe you want to route the intentions within your VoIP systems for the sales, support, or billing. You can pass compliance tags like HIPAA, where you know whether you got to stop or start recordings for different reasons, or just trigger custom logging inside your system. So this is how you make your call routing a little more smarter, a little more faster and personalized when you've got those more larger scale systems. But for our demo here, we're just going to go down here and we're going to click save. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to call the agent and we can test. And just a quick note though, is when you're doing the warm transfer, you actually can't use the test dashboard here to test it because it doesn't work within a web call. So I'm actually going to use two phones to test this. All right, now let's give it a go.
Hello, this is SkyTech Solar. How can we help you today?
G'day, this is Alex. Look, I'm just calling about your solar packages.
Good day, Alex. Thanks for calling SkyTech Solar. I'd be happy to help. Could you let me know what specifically you'd like to learn about our solar packages? For example, pricing, installation, or rebates?
I'm just wondering, how much is it roughly?
Thanks for asking, Alex. Our solar system pricing typically ranges from $3,000 to $10,000 after government rebates, depending on your property size and energy needs. Would you like me to connect you with a sales agent for a free, obligation-free quote? They can provide a more tailored estimate for your situation.
Yeah, sounds good. Transfer me.
Great, Alex. I'll transfer you to a member of our sales team now. Please hold for just a moment. Hello?
Yes, hello?
Alex is calling for a free, obligation-free quote on solar packages, putting you through now.
hello. And there you go, it's two of me. And that's Retell's Warm Transfer 2.0 feature. As you can see, very simple, yet very powerful. Now, if you're a service-based business and you're not already using AI and you're curious how this could set up in your business or whether this could integrate in your existing tools, feel free to go to the first link down below where you can book in a call with me and we can talk you through the different options and where this could actually fit within your business. And if you found this useful, drop a like, drop a comment. It helps others find videos just like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.